Hi, welcome to today's class, which deals with the verb be. The conjugations of the verb be are as follows. I am in the house. We are in the house. You are in the house. They are in the house. He is in the house. She is in the house. It is in the house. The conjugations for the verb to be in the past positive. I, he, she, it was in the house. We, you, they were in the house. We often use words such as yesterday, or phrases such as last week or last year to indicate that something happened in the past. I was a student in 2010. You were at the restaurant yesterday. He was my boyfriend last year. So these are contractions using the verb be. I am becomes I'm. I'm happy. He is becomes he's. He's late. They are becomes they're. They are eating. And negative contractions are as follows. I am not. I'm not. He is not. He isn't. She is not. She isn't. It is not. It isn't. We are not. We aren't. You are not. You aren't. They are not. They aren't. And in the past, I was not. I wasn't. He was not. He wasn't. We were not. We weren't. The verb to be in the simple past for questions. Was I at the bank? Was he at the bank? Was she at the bank? Was it at the bank? To which you can answer, yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Were you at the museum last night? Yes, we were. No, we weren't. So now let's review some of the information. Complete these sentences using am, is, or are. For example, they are from Brazil. Complete the sentences using past positive. For example, on Friday, I was sick. Change the sentence to past positive. For example, I am very tired becomes I was very tired.